Hey everybody, it's your old pal Billy Blue Gloves here, also known as Drawn to You, and various other nicknames and aliases. And today we're drawing Mommy Long Legs. So there's the blue lines, and now we're going over it with a regular Ticonderoga number 2 pencil. Like, subscribe, and share. Like, subscribe, and share. Subscribe and share. Like, subscribe, and share. Subscribe and share. Like, subscribe, and share. Subscribe and share. And leave a comment. Like, subscribe, and share. Subscribe and share. Like, subscribe, and share. Subscribe and share. And leave a comment. Like, subscribe, and share. And tell your friends. Like, subscribe, and share. And tell your friends. Just finishing up a few little touches here. We're almost at the end of the inks. There's our final inks here. I'm really happy with this as far as what we've got. Oh, Looks like Drawn to You 2 is taking over here. All right. Let's see what he's doing here. Okay, he's starting with her arms with this pink. These markers, I'll put a picture of this marker set here. This is maybe the best $5 marker set we've gotten from Five Below. All right, he's putting his logo here, signature, a 2, Drawn to You 2, and then he turned the 2 into Mommy Longlegs' hand. That was pretty clever. And here we've got a meow to all. And that's going to bring us to the end of another video. Here's our final product. We had a good time with this one, Internet. Hope you did too. And until next time, I'm Drawn to You.
Yeah.